If you've seen my previous video, we took these paper white bulbs from water and planted them in the soil. And it's been about 8 to 10 weeks, and the foliage has completely died down, which is normal because it is end of the season in any case. So at this point, I'll stop watering these plants, and as the winter approaches, I'll start watering them again and they'll start to grow. If you haven't seen my previous video where I took these plants from water, I have put the link in the description. Please check it out. As the weather started to become cold, I started watering this planter because paper white is a cooler weather plant. They bloom in winters, and within 1 month, it started to grow. And it started to grow really nicely. Most of the bulbs, it seems, are growing. Once the leaves started to appear, I moved it into partial sun. Otherwise, the plant may become leggy, and all the flower shoots that come out may be really tall and kind of flop on the side when the flowers open up. It's been about 7-8 months that I planted these paper white bulbs from water to soil, and it's middle of winters right now, and they have been growing. I mean, the leaves all died, and then slowly they started growing. And look what I saw. There is a flower bud coming. There's one more here. So I'm really happy. So this means that our experiment was successful. If you get paper white flower bulbs in water after they have bloomed away, don't throw them away, and you'll have good flowers in the next season. As these buds started to open up, I moved it inside because these flowers look so beautiful and they are so fragrant, and I want that fragrance inside my house. And this is a popular holiday plant, and people gift it to each other, and the instructions on the plant say that you should throw away the bulbs once they have finished blooming. But if you believe in sustainable gardening, I would suggest that you keep the bulbs, you transfer them to the soil the way I did, take care of them the whole year, and enjoy the blooms year after year. Of course, if you want that every bulb should have many flowers perfectly shaped, then it is better that you go and buy them from the store, because when you grow them at home, they are never perfect, but I enjoy that. And I also believe in sustainable gardening. So once I have a bulb, I'll take care of it year after year. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.